In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust sharpness of an image in Canva. Sharpening controls the crispness of edges and fine details in a photo or graphic. It's perfect for bringing slightly soft images back to life, making text-based graphics clearer, or adding definition to product shots. The key is to enhance clarity without introducing harsh halos or grain. Start by opening your project in Canva so you can see the design you're working on. Click directly on the image you want to refine. You'll know it's selected when you see the bounding box and the top toolbar appears with options related to that image. With the image active, look to the top toolbar and click the Edit button. This opens a control panel on the left side of your screen with several editing categories specific to the selected image. In that left panel, choose Adjust. This section contains manual controls for fine-tuning your image. Scroll all the way down within Adjust until you find the sharpness control. It may be near the bottom of the list, so keep scrolling until you see it. Now, use the sharpness slider to dial in the look you want. Drag the slider to the right to increase sharpness and make edges more defined. Drag it to the left if you want a softer, slightly smoother feel. Subtle changes often work best. Small nudges can quickly take an image from a little soft to clean and crisp. As you move the slider, keep an eye on edges like text outlines, hair, or high contrast borders. If you notice bright glowing lines or a gritty texture, that's a sign you've pushed it too far. Pull the slider back until the image looks clear but natural. Remember that sharpening doesn't actually recover lost focus. It increases edge contrast. It works great on gently soft images, but it can exaggerate noise in very low light or highly compressed photos. So aim for balance. If your original image already looks razor sharp, a slight move to the left can tame harshness. Once you're happy with how it looks, you're done. Your image will reflect the new sharpness setting in your design. You can continue designing with the adjustment in place and return to adjust anytime if you want to fine-tune the slider again. That's the entire process. Select your image, click Edit, open Adjust, find Sharpness, and move the slider to get the clarity you want.